I did get something from Lionsgate, which is Santa Baby. This movie is called Life of Crime. This is from Lionsgate. Santa Baby was another movie that was released by Lionsgate. So I got my own thing from Lionsgate. This is from 2014. Looks like the other one though. Oh no. Talk about going to disc. I'll pick that up. This disc right here doesn't got any discard. Got crime, and there's another case with the original pieces. The original symbol. It had the pieces are cut out. RA mode with no discard. Sounds like my Santa Baby DVD. That didn't get discard either. But now I have Life of Crime. Had Jennifer Aniston.